Hello guys, myself Rituja Nirvan and welcome to my YouTube channel Rituja Ki Pathshala. So in the previous lecture we have seen the command which comes under DML, that is data manipulation language update command. Now today we are going to see the delete command which comes under a DML, that is data manipulation language. So data manipulation language, if you want to play around the data which is already present in the table, existing table, at that time you need to use the DML category, and inside that you need to when you need to use a delete command or delete option, we will see it in the detail right now. Okay, so for that just take one table. Here I have taken emp underscore detail. Now just select this table and see what data is present inside the table. So as you can see that this kind of data is present inside the emp underscore details table. Okay, now if I want to, there are two scenarios in this. So we will look at the firstly look at the first scenario, how we can do it. Okay, so let's say it's first way or scenario. Okay, now see, if you want to delete any particular record from the table, see, as you can see the data inside the table, the employee underscore ID is 11, 12, 13, 14, but suddenly it comes 150. Then after that 15, suddenly it comes to 45. So if the manager is saying that this record is not in the line, in the rhythm of the numbers as per the required by the client, so you need to delete this particular record. Now for this, what you will do? So for this first scenario is this one, the requirement. So you will do see, you will write delete. Okay, then you will write from, then you will write the table name. What is your table name? Employee underscore details. Where you will write where employee, you will write the employee Rohit, whose name is Rohit, you want to delete that record. Okay, so where f name equals to what? No, it is not f name, it is first name. Apologies for this, first name equals to Rohit. Okay, semicolon. So I want to delete the record from the table whose first name is Rohit. So here in front of my eyes I can see that there is a records, but only one record is present whose name is Rohit. No two Rohits are present. So that's why I took first name equals to Rohit. I choose that column and just I select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See, one row is affected. Now if you will see the table, that record is deleted or not. See, can you see any record whose name is Rohit or whose employee ID is 150? No, means it is deleted successfully. So here in this statement we have used a delete option under DML category, and there also we have used a where clause, because we want to delete the particular record. Now what is where clause, where it is used, how to implement that, we will see this clauses portion in the further lectures. Okay, so for that you need to stay tuned to my channel and my videos. You will definitely get information regarding this clause. Okay, now this is the first way. Now if the second way is like the manager told you or anyone told you that as the requirement of the industry is this, key, we don't want any kind of record from the table, but we need the table, we need the column, we need the table, the structure of the table, the columns present in the table, but we don't need this data which is present inside the table. This is the requirement. Then what you will do in this scenario also, you will use delete option, that is you will say delete from table name. What is table name? Employee details. Okay, and that's it, semicolon. So by this command, whole data which is present inside the employee details table will be deleted successfully. If you want to see this, just select this piece of code, hit the execute button, 6 rows are affected successfully. Now you want to see that whether my data is present inside the table or not. Just do this again, this piece of code once again. Select star from table name. Okay, and this is semicolon. Just select this and hit the execute button. See, can you see any kind of data inside the table? No. So these are the two ways in which you can use a delete command. When these two kind of scenarios come in front of you, at that time delete command is used. Okay, delete option is used, which comes under the DML category. Okay, so And in the previous lecture, we have seen regarding the update option and the insert option as well. Also, we have seen regarding the DDL. So guys, if you are facing any kind of issue, if you need any kind of improvement into my lecture, please write down into the comment section. If you are facing any kind of issue, write down into the comment section. I will definitely help you out. And if you are following my videos, if you are liking it, if you can follow at your end, if you are able to understand what I am teaching to you, please go to my channel, subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment into my video, and also share with your friends so that they can also learn it well. Thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice day.